Hey guys, and welcome back to another Wood Brew video. If you are new here, make sure you go check out some of our other videos after you watch this one and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already.
Don't be discouraged by all of the larger tools we're using in today's products. We have plenty of other videos you can go check out where we're using minimal tools, including a $100 toolkit and a $300 dining table build, including the tools. So go check out those other videos if you are interested in the bigger tool stuff. But be sure to check out this video because we're building a stool out of 100-year-old barnwood. Let's get started. This is a team effort here.
Looks like we've made any progress.
Like to there.
It's pretty good. Here, I'll hand this off to you. Oh gosh! This is like the last little thread. We're gonna bring it home nice and fast. Oh yeah! Alright, let's glue this bad boy up. Are you happy that we ended up cutting these into 4 squares?
1 down, 4 to go.
Oh,
3 to
I need to
go.
make sure I get this right. Okay. A little bit tricky here. Thank you, dear. Oh, did I put glue? No, I didn't put glue over there. See? I'm smarter than you think. What's going on here? What's going on here? Good right there. We good. We good. We good. This is a 3. Wait, hold up.
That's a 3 and a 4.
Right, so this one goes like that. Okay. I ever told you how much I love these little brushes?
Thought you were gonna say something else.
What did you think I was gonna say?
That you love me.
Oh, I'm putting glue on something and I'm thinking about you. How
Yeah.
romantic that would be.
Okay, well he's doing that. Look at our little shop cat. Shop cat.
Yeah, that's turned out a lot better than I thought it would.
Yeah.
I would bet more money that you end up putting that in there than not.
You are absolutely right.
Oh, our Patreons get to see. We just did a reaction to our first video,
I'll put a link to the description below if you want to go check out the first video. It's pretty bad.
No, don't do that, because that's really embarrassing.
We'll go, if you become a Patreon, you get to see our reaction to our first video we ever made. And let's just say, it's quite cringy.
That's bad.
Crucial moment, Molly.
You gotta do it right.
I always do things right. That. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? This is either going to be a lot of fun or very, very messy and not fun. So let's see how this goes. I really have no idea.
How much do you put in?
Yeah, that's kind of, I don't know how much we need. I think we need a lot. And I don't know how much you're supposed to mix at a time. We're just kind of going for it.
Is it just like
Okay,
half and half?
Yeah. Actually, I didn't even read. I'm just assuming that it's half and half.
No.
Yeah, it's 1 to 1.
Okay, cool.
Also, just FYI, there's a good chance that this is going to come out somewhere that we haven't taped up. I just hope it doesn't come out a lot. Let's find out. This is what we're going to find out right here. Oh, yeah. Okay, we didn't make enough. I don't think.
I don't think I've seen any leaks yet.
A few moments later.
We got a steady stream. I think we're just going to have an epoxy covered bench here in a little bit. Like, we got all of our epoxy coming out right now. Maybe we could catch it. Okay, we got an issue.
Oh my gosh.
The first coat of water locks, which is actually today's sponsor. It is a tung oil and resin finish, and as you can see, it really makes this piece pop, and we are absolutely loving it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here are some other videos that I'm sure you guys will enjoy. Make sure you go over to our Instagram page. We do lots of fun stuff over there. And also, if you want to support us in what we do, there's a link to our Patreon page down below. See you guys next week.